Good morning, my name is Jaroslaw and I'm talking to you from my little office in Poland. For years I was working for big manufacturers from the PPE market. About 2 years ago I decided to start my own small business. About 2 years ago as well I met the owner of Alif International, and about 2 years later now I made my first import from Pakistan. Yasir, the owner of Alif International, he asked me to say something about his product, and I decided, of course, why not? I have a channel on YouTube, so there is no problem. So I will tell you about something about his product, because I imported those gloves. In Poland we use them for firefighters. But I will tell you a bit about Alif International as well. One of most important thing about Alif International, the owner of brand XPRO, is it's a real manufacturer. Today when somebody says he is a manufacturer, it can mean that he is just taking goods from the catalog from Chinese factory. He orders them, puts them on them logo, and he is the manufacturer. Now Alif International is a real company. They have a real factory, real employees, and they make all goods themselves. They make for big brands around the world, but now they decided to create own brand, XPRO, with that logo. I'm from Poland, so I like it very much because I'm about 50 years old now, and I grown up in the world which was very simple. When you were the manufacturer, everybody understood that you are making goods which you are selling. So I liked it very much. Always I thought I'm too small business to make such serious things like import from Pakistan. But now I did it and I'm very happy with that. If you decide to buy XPRO products, for you it could be much easier. You can buy from me or from Finland or from other agents, and later on you can decide to import directly from Pakistan. The first glove I decided to import is this kind of glove. The name is quite strange, it's 9 Armored C2. Alif International has few models of gloves like that. I have one here very similar with different bumpers, a little bit more advanced on the palm side, but I think it will be the second model I will try to import. But for this time I imported only this model. In Poland it's used by firefighters, not for firefighting but for rescue actions. When they go to car accidents, when they have to free somebody inside the car, when they have cut the car, cut body parts, they need a serious protection with heating protection, with cut protection and puncture protection. And for purpose like that they need such heavy, very strong product. I will show you closer how it looks. I'll show you the glove closer. On the top we have a high-vis yellow fabric. On that we have bumpers which protect us against heating. They are on every fingers and on the top of the hand, on the thumb as well. They are created to help us to make them more manual. So here are things like that, so you can bend your fingers very easily. Generally they are very manual, they give a lot of control to the grip. Inside the hand, on the palm side, it's made by Armortex. It's a special fabric made on the basis of Kevlar. The owner of the patent is some Chinese company, I don't remember the name of that, but it's very strong, it's very good against cutting, it's very good against puncture. It's totally different than most of anti-cut industrial gloves, where you can see fabrics like here, yeah, you can see how they cross. Here you can't see anything. and the material is quite stiff, still very manual, but quite stiff. It's very important as well, because when you lift something, when you pull something, when you try to throw it away, when you have very light glove, you can feel the pain in your hand. Even if it doesn't cut, if it really protects you against cutting, yeah, still you can feel pain. Here, when the fabric is quite stiff and quite strong, it protects the pain, so you can pull with full strength and you can't feel the pain. It's very important when you are during the action, when you don't have time to think too much and you have to react very quickly. The glove is closed here on the Velcro. Inside you can see that it's very comfortable as well. I hope you liked my movie and thank you very much you watched that. If you are interested to buy from a real manufacturer, the real owner of the factory, which is unusual today, you are welcome. You can find contacts to me or to the company from Pakistan, and you can send an email, you can call me anytime. As you can see, maybe not too well, but still I speak English, so I can answer quickly to you. On the beginning, if you prefer, you can buy even from me, from Europe Union. Later on, I'm sure you will prefer to buy directly from Pakistan, because it's faster, yeah, and it's easier. From my experience, Alif International is a great business. I believe in that, and because they really manufacture their products, it's very cost effective, and always there is somebody who you can talk to, who is responsible for production, yeah, for the quality. So it doesn't happen too often that you can blame somebody, because usually the answer is, sorry, I bought it somewhere, and the next person says as well, sorry, I bought it somewhere, and maybe fifth person is the person who made the product. Here, if you buy from Alif, you know they made it. Thank you very much and see you. Bye.